Hey guys, as the complexity of the Rangoli increases, I thought why not give you guys a step-by-step instructions on how to do these Rangolis. Today we'll be going through one such video where I'll give you guys a guide of this 5x5 Rangoli, 5x5 dots basically. First, I want you guys to draw a small diamond enclosing those 5 dots. So let's start. We are just circling around those 5 dots. Now I want you guys to draw a bigger diamond around this small diamond. So we'll start from here. There we have it. Now we have 2 diamonds. Next, we are going to draw 2 diagonal cylinders. So we'll be connecting the 2 extreme corners diagonally. So we have one in place, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Great. So now we have the basic design in place. For the remaining dots, we'll just be circling around those. We'll start from here. Just curve around those dots. We'll be curving from the outside for the external dots. And for the dots inside the big diagonal, we'll be curving from the inside, as you can see here. And that is all. Now you guys know how to draw this beautiful 5x5 Rangoli. Hope you guys liked this video. All the best.